Hello everybody, our topic is about mobile operating systems. So in this video, we are going to give you a brief introduction about what is a mobile operating system and what are the various mobile operating systems available in the industry, and also we are going to talk about their history, versions, developed languages and their features. So first we will see what is a mobile operating system. There are a lot of mobile operating systems are available in the industry, but in here we are only consider about most famous operating systems available in the industry. They are iPhone operating system, Microsoft's Windows Mobile operating system, Google's Android operating system, BlackBerry operating system, Symbian operating system. iPhone OS continue. There are four abstraction layers available in iPhone operating system. They are the core operating system layer, the core services layer, the media. Android operating system use SQLite for making a relational database. This is used for data storage purposes. Is OS. So first we will talk about iPhone operating system. iPhone operating system is developed by Apple company. It has since been extended to support other Apple devices such as the iPod Touch, iPad and Apple TV. They are iPhone operating system, Microsoft's Windows Mobile operating system, Google's Android operating system, BlackBerry operating system, Symbian operating system, Palm. The user interface of iPhone operating system is based on the concept of direct manipulation using multi-touch gestures, and interface control elements consist of sliders, switches and buttons. The responsive user input is immediate and provides a fluid interface. And also, iPhone operating system is derived from Mac operating system. Actually, the Symbian 4 was expected to be released in the first half of 2011. However, Nokia announced in October there are four abstraction layers are available in iPhone OS. They are the core operating system layer, the core services layer, the media layer, the Cocoa Touch layer. Actually, this Cocoa Touch is an application programming interface for building software programs to run on the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad from the Apple Incorporation. Cocoa Touch provides an abstraction layer of iOS, the operating system for the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. Cocoa Touch is based on the Mac operating system, Cocoa API toolset, and like it is primarily written in the Objective-C language. This Cocoa Touch layer allows the use of hardware and features that are not found in Mac operating system computers and are thus unique to the iOS range of devices. Just like Cocoa Touch follows a model view controller software architecture. This core services layer is a set of Mac operating system and iOS application programming interfaces that architecturally the underneath Carbon, Cocoa and Cocoa Touch. In addition to Core Foundation, it also encompasses other APIs including Grand Central Dispatch, Blocks, CF Network, Carbon Core, OS Services and Web Services Core. So this is a preview of iPhone mobile operating system. So let's move on to the next operating system. Microsoft's Windows Mobile Operating System. Microsoft's Windows Mobile Operating System is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and this operating system was used in smartphones and mobile devices. There are three versions of Windows Mobile Operating System is available for various hardware devices. First one is Windows Mobile Professional, second one is Windows Mobile Standard, and the third one is Windows Mobile Classic. Windows Mobile Professional runs on smartphones with touchscreens, and Windows Mobile Standard runs on phones with regular screens, and Windows Mobile Classic which runs on Windows Mobile Classic devices. There are many versions were released since their original release. They are Pocket PC 2000, Pocket PC 2002, Windows Mobile 2003, Windows Mobile 2003 Second Edition, Windows Mobile 5 and above, and the latest one is Windows Phone 7. Windows Pocket PC 2000 is originally released on April 19th of 2000 and was based on